Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This has very little to do about Corel Draw, but it's going to help you remove backgrounds from a photograph with Windows 10 3D Paint or Paint 3D. If you just go to your magnifying glass and type Paint 3D and it comes up, I've already got it open right here. And then just go to your picture, wherever your picture is. There's that picture. I'm just going to drag it into Paint 3D. There's the image number. I'm going to say OK. And then grab the Magic Select tool, and we're just going to kind of resize it so it kind of telling it what to do or what to take out or leave. We're going to hit Next, and it's already done it. We're going to autofill background and say Done. And then I just started playing around with this tonight. Grab that image and just kind of drag it off the side. Select the other image and hit Delete. And then bring your image. If you ever do that, there's an undo button. Grab your image. Go up to Menu and Save As. Save as an image. There's probably a lot this program can do. You can see it's a pretty big file pixel-wise. We want to save it as a transparency. So it basically takes up only all the background, I guess. Takes just a second. And then hit Save. And we're going to call this Ball for baseball. Open up Corel. Take your right mouse button and hit Import and type in ball. There it is right there. We're going to import that picture. Now what it does do, it has a big bounding box, but it's transparent. You can't see anything but the image. If we do the yellow box trick, back a page, you can see it's nothing there but the young man. You can get rid of that big bounding box if you want by using the crop tool and just crop this out and then crop, and now you've got a smaller bounding box. And you can put him back into the picture in another position. Now it does a pretty good job of tracing and removing all the background. I think there's some fine tuning you could do, but that's by hand, that's pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.